Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my another new study vlog. So today I am going to share another new video. So let's get started with this vlog. And like everyone, my pre-boards are also going to start from 15th of December, so I have to be prepared for it also. And here I was doing heredity chapter, and this chapter I was doing from the warrior batch from YouTube, because I wasn't having time to watch all the lectures from my batch, and actually it was so time consuming, and the same material they're providing on YouTube also, so I just thought to watch this explanation video on YouTube. And this chapter, like, it's very small and easy one, and like half of the portion I had completed in school also, so that wasn't a big deal. And most of you must have thinking that have I completed my syllabus. The answer is yes, I have completed my syllabus, but some revision part is remaining, so I have to cover that. And I started solving sample papers, like in my tuition we have started solving sample papers by section wise, like chemistry, biology, or section B 2 marks, 3 marks, such type of sample papers we are solving now. And from the January month I will solve 80 marks paper, but from my side I will solve 80 marks paper in December only. Like before any pre-board I will solve the sample papers, because solving sample papers is really important, because that gives us a real feeling of board exams, and that tests our preparation. So that's why sample papers are necessary, and I guys recommend you all to solve sample papers also. And I have ordered my sample papers, and they will come soon. And here I was doing NCERT example from chapter heredity, and this example of Ostwal has helped me really, because the questions and answers are in the one book only, and like this book is also very thin, so like in school also I can carry and read, and there are so many benefits of this book. And have you guys completed your syllabus? Please tell me in the comment section below. Like I also want to know that how many of you have completed your syllabus, and like what level of preparation you guys are also having. And especially in this time, studying is really hard because it's winter season, and again it's the peak time where it decides do or die one. Like if we study consistently in this 2 months also, then we can get really good marks. That I have heard from my so many seniors and from the strategy videos on YouTube. And here I was doing political parties lesson from like the NCERT reading, not political parties, generally religion and caste lesson I was doing from the NCERT. And that's all for my today's vlog. I hope you like this video. Bye.